Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure new Relic APM for Node.js performance tracking, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your new Relic account. Navigate to the new Relic APM dashboard. Click on the Add More Data button found in the upper right corner. Select Node.js from the list of available integrations. Follow the prompts to download the new Relic Node.js agent. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your Node.js project directory. Install the new Relic agent using the command npm install new relic. Once the installation completes, locate the newly created new relic.js file in your project. Open new relic.js in a code editor. Find the section labeled license_key in the new relic.js file. Insert your new Relic license key, which can be found in your new Relic account settings. Scroll down to configure the application name. Replace the default application name with a name relevant to your project. Save the changes made in the new relic.js file. Open your main application file, usually app.js or index.js. Add the following line of code at the very top, require new relic. Make sure this line is the first line before Restart your Node.js application using the terminal. Verify that your application is running without errors. Go back to your new Relic APM dashboard. Observe the dashboard for data on your application's performance. You should see traces, transaction times, and other metrics start to populate. Use this data to monitor and optimize your application as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.